What we see and hear about pushing Filipino to hate China are lies because we've never been at war with China. So the message is, let's start finding the truth. Let's start finding the truth ourselves because we cannot rely on the media, on our government because most of them are already bought by the deep state money.
Want to create war because war is a business for the American government na tinatawag nila kamentong na deep state. Yan po ang kalagayan ng Pilipinas ngayon. The war between China and America inside the Philippines has been raging. And what kind of war is that? Before po ang actual shooting war, the war of information. Ano ang layunin ng Amerika? Bakit siya nagpo-propaganda? Ang layunin niya ay kontrolin ang Indo-Pacific region, ang Southeast Asia, ang Asian region, where 38% of world trade, ginagamit po ang ruta na ito. Kaya niya ini-assert ang kanyang pananaw na siya lang ang kumikilala, ang tinatawag niyang freedom of navigation. Ang China walang kasaysayan na mananakop siya. They did not kill a single Filipino. Wala pong ganong history ang bansang China, mga kababayan.
Sabi nga, we are the most ally daw tayo ng United States, but we are now being used to spark a war with China. So our duty before the shooting start is to fight the propaganda for war. We should say no to war. We should say yes to peace and progress. What we see and hear about pushing Filipino to hate China are lies because we've never been at war with China. So the message is, let's start finding the truth. Let's start finding the truth ourselves because we cannot rely on the media, on our government because most of them are already bought by the deep state money.
Calling for an end to all wars, calling for the ejection of the U.S. military bases in the Philippines and so on. Bakit? 500 years of forever war. Galing sa mga kanlurang, mga imperialista, kolonyalista, sinakop ang Pilipinas, sinakop ang mga bahagi ng China, sinakop ang Indonesia, sinakop ang Malaysia, sinakop ang Africa, sinakop ang Middle East. And for 500 years, sila ang namayagpag. But the world today, Asia, tayo, mula sa Asia, we're beginning to change this world, this history. We are beginning to introduce a new economy to the global situation.
Anti-war, neutrality for prosperity resonates deeply with aspirations of every Filipino. We all want a Philippines that is strong and united, resilient, even in the face of geopolitical tensions. As we observe the 80th anniversary of the end of World War II, this event serves as a powerful reminder of the devastating human cost of conflict and the unwavering need for peace.